Greetings. Welcome to Exploring the Health Professions at the University of Illinois at Chicago. My name is Dan DeCesar, and I'm with the College of Pharmacy, but I'm here to provide you an overview of all the different health professions available at UIC. So whether you know exactly what health field that you want to go into, or you're still exploring to kind of find the best fit, this session will provide you more information about who we are, what we have to offer, ultimately what we're looking for successful applicants, and then provide you information about how you can be a successful graduate and professional student candidate. There's going to be a separate recording which will include a panel discussion from representatives from each of the health professions in a different section. So UIC is part of the University of Illinois Hospital and Healthcare System. We are one of a handful of universities that offer the full range of health professions on one campus. And for UI Health and the Hospital and Healthcare System, there are 7 health science colleges: Applied Health Sciences, Dentistry, Medicine, Nursing, Pharmacy, Public Health, and Social Work. So UI Hospital and Healthcare System has a wide breadth and depth of providing clinical and healthcare services to patients. And all of the health professions have an advantage of kind of being connected to the large hospital and healthcare system. And so we have faculty who are clinicians that provide direct patient care, but then they also work and provide education for students. So they're bringing that expertise in the classroom. And then there's a lot of opportunities for students to gain experience in those clinical settings. So these are great opportunities directly related to from the colleges and directly related to patient care. But then you also have the advantage that you are part of a large metropolitan area. So for the health science programs at UIC, you have the advantage of being connected to a large research university that's connected to a large hospital and healthcare system, but also in a great metropolitan city like Chicago. So there's great opportunities for engaging the community and providing service in a variety of different ways. And these are available also to you as an undergraduate. So it's a great way to distinguish yourself as you're preparing for the health professions. So UI Health does have a great impact, not only in Illinois, but in the nation. But we are a leading provider of physicians, pharmacists, nurses, and dentists, and even social workers in the state of Illinois. So if you're looking to work and continue on in Illinois or the Midwest, you're suddenly part of a large alumni network that you can be connected with. So all the health sciences at UIC kind of have the advantage that we are connected to a large medical district, one of the largest medical districts in the nation. So not only does it include UI Hospital and Healthcare System, but it includes Rush, Cook County, and the VA hospitals. And this would be, again, great opportunities for you as an undergraduate, either gaining volunteer experiences or kind of gaining some either work experience as a student, and then definitely so when you're in the program. So within blocks of where you're taking classes, you're connected to the medical district. Many of our programs are nationally ranked and kind of recognized for their excellence in training and preparation of students, and also recognize the outstanding achievements of our faculty. So our faculty are nationally and internationally known. And as a student, even though you're at a large research university, you have the benefit of smaller class sizes. So you have a direct access to that faculty. Also, great opportunities for research, which we'll go into a moment. Great opportunities for continued clinical placement, and externships or internships opportunities. And a lot of these potentially could be available to you with gaining some of those initial experiences as an undergraduate, but then definitely continuing in the graduate and professional programs. Each of the programs have different points of entry. Some you would come in as an undergraduate or an upper division student, and then others that you would apply to after you complete a bachelor's degree. And we'll go into a little bit more about that later in this presentation. So getting a sense of UIC research, there is also all the health programs and health professions participate in a great deal of research. And the advantage for you as an undergraduate is that a lot of other major research universities reserve research for just graduate and professional students, But you as an undergraduate will have many of opportunities to participate in research as well. And this would be a great opportunity for you to distinguish yourself as you prepare for the graduate and professional programs or as you're preparing your applications. Kind of having that research, again, is something that is unique and a great way to distinguish yourself moving forward. So next, I'm going to pass it on to my colleague Eileen Doran from the Applied Health Sciences, and she's going to go over the different points of entry for our health profession programs.
Thanks, Dan. Hello, everyone. My name is Eileen Doran, and I'm the Associate Dean for Student Affairs in the College of Applied Health Sciences. Thank you for joining us. So we'd like to share the many different pathways that are available to students who are interested in pursuing the health professions or a health career. Here at UIC, we have several degree programs available at the undergraduate, graduate, and professional levels. If you're an entering freshman, students may choose from a wide variety of undergraduate programs. Within the College of Applied Health Sciences, we have programs in nutrition, kinesiology, disability and human development, as well as rehabilitation sciences. Within the School of Public Health, we also offer an undergraduate degree in public health for students to choose from, as well as the many available programs in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. As well, we also offer other majors here at UIC outside of the traditional majors that students may be interested in pursuing as a health profession or pre-health student. These programs are available at the freshman admitting level, but we also offer additional programs at the transfer level. In the College of Nursing, there is students can actually apply as transfer students once they've completed a series of prerequisite courses for nursing. This is also true in the College of Pharmacy. Students have to complete 65 credit hours of specific prerequisite coursework to be eligible to apply as a transfer student into the pharmacy program. And then the College of Applied Health Sciences offers a transfer program in health information management as well. In terms of post-baccalaureate degrees, there are several programs that once a student earns their bachelor's degree, there are additional programs at the graduate and professional level available. In the College of Applied Health Sciences, there are programs in biomedical and health informatics, biomedical visualization, disability studies, as well as our professional programs in occupational and physical therapy. The College of Dentistry offers graduate and professional programs, as well as the College of Social Work. For students interested in pursuing professional studies, again, once they've earned their bachelor's degree, they're eligible to apply to the colleges of medicine and pharmacy for additional graduate and professional coursework. There are additional graduate and professional programs available for those students interested in pursuing nursing and public health as well. Once students are admitted to professional programs or as they're applying, they may be interested in pursuing what's called a joint degree, and that allows a student to pursue their professional degree, such as an MD or a PharmD degree, in addition to another graduate degree. So students may choose an MBA program or an MPH program, which is a Master's in Public Health or a Master's in Business Administration, to pair with their graduate or professional degree. So there's a wide array of opportunities for students to pursue the health professions, both at the undergraduate, graduate, and professional levels. Now I'm going to pass the slides off to a colleague from the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences, Misty.
Thank you, Eileen. Welcome. This is Misty Wakuha LaPointe. I'm the Director for Pre-Professional Advising here at UIC. We are located in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. However, we work with students from any undergraduate college at UIC. So the primary pre-health fields that we work with are the ones that have already been mentioned. But in addition to what UIC offers, we also work with students who are interested in optometry or physician assistant studies, podiatry, veterinary medicine, or really the whole gamut of pre-health fields that are out there, because this is a pretty expansive career field. one of the questions that we get asked regularly, because we work specifically with undergraduate students. So if you're coming into college to earn your bachelor degree, whether Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science, you're going to be working with us. We often get asked, how do I declare pre-health or how do I declare pre-med as a major? You can't. So pre-health or pre-med is not a major, pre-nursing is not a major. However, what we have are what we call educational goals. And these are things that you can declare to let us know that you have an interest in the health professions, so that we can make sure that you get the appropriate guidance early on from orientation up until the time that you apply and enroll in the program that you're interested in. So you can let us know that you're interested in pre-health on your common application, and you may have done that by selecting an interest in medicine or nursing, and we'll make that note. Some of you, though, may have changed your mind between when you submitted your common application and as you're heading into orientation. And that's okay. You can tell your advisor at orientation, hey, I've changed my mind. I'm now interested in dentistry or occupational therapy, or whatever the case may be, and they will help you change that. What we also see happen, though, is that students do change their mind throughout their time as an undergraduate. So you may come into UIC wanting to be an English major, wanting to study music, and not have an interest in health. And something may happen during your time while you're here, and you may discover as a junior, I really want to become a dentist. You can change your ed goal at any point during your time at UIC, and it's fairly easy to do through an online form. And that form will be something that you can access once you're a student at UIC. So how do we help students become a successful candidate, and what does that mean? So with pre-health advising, you're going to talk with us about what are your required courses that you need to take, but also what are the other components that you need to develop over your time as an undergraduate. So health professions programs are all looking for a strong academic background. They all want students with strong grades, especially in prerequisite courses, but really across the board. But outside of your academics, that's a very one-faceted component to who you are. What else should you be thinking about? Well, most programs are looking for some sort of volunteer experience. Many want you to get clinical experiences as well. They want you to be a well-rounded person, and that could be that could come from different involvements that you have, that could come from work that you do, leadership experience, which certainly could be being a leader of a club or an organization, but you also want to think about how else can I show leadership through my community, through my work experiences. And then ultimately, they want you to have critical thinking skills. And those critical thinking skills are things that you will develop during your time at UIC as an undergraduate student in your coursework, but also outside of the classroom in those involvements with engaging with other students in the things that you're participating in as well. And so how does UIC specifically help you become a successful candidate? Well, there are a number of academic preparation programs because, again, all of these programs, all the health professions programs really want you to be a strong student. So you want to take advantage of what's here at UIC. That could be through the Urban Health Program, which will be talked about later during the panel. There are so many tutoring opportunities on this campus, it's kind of ridiculous. All you need to do is reach out. So if you don't know where to access them, contact an advisor, contact one of your support services. They will help you find the appropriate tutoring, and it's out there and it's available for you. So please take advantage of it. There are learning centers like the Writing Center. There's ACE where you can get help with time management, test study skills, those sorts of things. And then of course, academic advising throughout your time while you're a student. In addition, be thinking about, would you like to do research? Is this something that you're interested in? You can participate in that while you are an undergrad, as was mentioned earlier. And then there are so many student organizations and so many events and activities here at UIC. We actually have activity or organization fairs where you can sign up with different student groups to get involved. So it's as easy as putting your name down on an email and getting connected to others. But that's a great way to network. It's a great way to learn about what other students are doing and really get involved on campus as well as off campus. And then we'd also encourage you to think about what other study abroad or other opportunities are there, like study abroad, like participating in a minor within your studies. For pre-health, you can pick any major. So if you have a particular interest in history, but you still want to go into occupational therapy, you could be a history major. You might find that, hey, I want to work particularly with women. So maybe a minor in gender women's studies is something that you want to consider, or a minor or certificate in a language so that you can engage more specifically with a particular population that you're interested in. All of these things together will help make you a well-rounded, thoughtful candidate. For those of you who are considering joining us here at UIC, in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences, if you would like to explore the various majors that we have to offer, I would encourage you to create your own custom LAS viewbook, and you can do that at the website here, customviewbook.las.uic.edu. You can pick pre-health, you can pick your particular major or majors that you're interested in, or other fields that you're interested in, and a custom viewbook with those specific interests will be generated for you. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. And thank you all for joining us for exploring the health professions at UIC. Hopefully this was helpful, whether you know exactly what you want to do or still kind of exploring kind of your options. This was kind of an introduction to kind of looking at the strong teaching preparation that UIC offers for the health professions. And our partnership with UI Health and Hospital Healthcare System really does provide the best combination of connecting you to a large hospital and healthcare system, a large research university, but then also a campus that is connected to the city of Chicago with a great many opportunities to kind of really distinguish yourself as you prepare for the health professions. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today.